Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Genesis. Now guys, we know that last week's episode ended off with a bomb, with the Sidibeng family bringing Isdumbu Sigapila to the Tabete residence, you guys. So it continues from that scene. Ufelicia guys umangele. She's like, Wendy, kwenzakalani lana? Mpumi, like, what is your child's body doing in my driveway? No one is answering her. She's like, Mpumi kanti kwenzakalani? Like, ayibo, isinyama leseni eningenzela sona bengicela ukuthi nihambe because no one's answering me here. You're the one aunt then says, which unfortunately, we are not going anywhere. This boy needs to be buried by his paternal home, or by his paternal family. Ufelicia's like, what? And then Uwen is like, yep, that's right. Yo, Felicia is just like, she's not hearing Wuti Aibo. Did I just hear Wuti Bati Ubaba Walengane belongs to this household? Yo, Felicia is like, what's going on? The one aunt then says ukuthi besacela Felicia ukuthi wehlisa umoya singeneni ngaphakathi siyokhuluma, and then Felicia says ngilandeleni. Guys, I honestly feel like this is not fair. The way they came ngenkani, especially uWendy, no one wants to explain anything. Before balethe umzimba, guys, I feel like a day before the funeral, a day before what they planned here, they should have came and spoke no Felicia kahle. But this whole drama, guys, I don't feel like it's fair considering that, yeah, I don't know if they knew, but considering the fact that Felicia might not even know about Ukikaba's secret, and yet they're doing it like they're doing another woman like this. Anyway, bahlale phansi ke. So Felicia is still in disbelief. She's like, nifuna imali ne? Yeah, nizosmilka kahle kahle. Because why would you come and tell us ukuthi this child belongs to this household like manje? When Mpumi, take your little dignity, whatever's left, uyongcwaba ingane yakho and stop doing silly things. And then Mpumi says, yeah, ma, got like the thing is, uLokuzana uPhila's not my child. uPhila's Maruna's child. Yeah, uFelicia uzama ungitshela ukuthi uBonko is the father of this child that akhonakali in Indian what uwendiza ngubani ukhulume ngoBonko lana? Asikhulumanga ngoBonko, asikhuluma ngoGabriel. Felicia's like, which Gabriel? Wendy's like, hey, but which other Gabriel do you know? Gabriel Gigaba. He is the father of this child. And then Wendy goes on to say, that's why this child melang like Lana, because Gabriel, we are tired of him running away from his stuff. Felicia goes on to say, this is not Wakigab. Uwathabethe lana. So ngizocela ukuthi ningiphumele, leave my house. If I come back here and you guys are still in my house, all hell's going to break loose. And then she gets up and she leaves like that, you guys. I can't even blame her, you guys, because indlela abeze ngayo, guys, like really sebemfakele amehlo abomakhelwane bathini seeing a coffin driving into their yard. Next scene, we see Felicia going to visit Maruna. She goes and knocking at Ipoisa. Maruna's like, fine, I'm coming here, don't break my door. When Maruna opens, she finds Felicia. Now, the funny thing is that we see a scene where Felicia is clamoring, she is choking Maruna up until a point where Maruna can't breathe, only to find out Felicia was just thinking that's in her head. But Felicia is very calm, you guys. She gets in and then she says, I want the truth. I want the truth. Is this child? Who's the father of this child? And then Maruna doesn't say anything. She just says, Kimaswabi, like, I'm sorry. And then Lokuzana, Felicia just walks out like that. That's her confirmation. The fact that Maruna's just saying, I'm sorry, that's her confirmation with Ngempela, Kikaba, and Maruna have a child together, you guys. Yeah. Next scene, we see Shame, Unokuzana, Maruna, and Ubonko. Ubonko's busy comforting his tandwa. Shame Ubonko, guys, the way he's so sweet. He's busy comforting his tandwa Saki. Hagazi, what's going on? He's telling her no tandwa Sam, our wedding's around the corner. Like, don't be sad. Ngiyazi ukuthi you loved uPhila. Ngizobnikeza ingane, no matter how many you want. Ingane that you will love just the way you loved uPhila. I'm just like, your shame. The love between them, guys. I don't want this relationship to end. But the thing is, I want Ubongo to know the truth. Now, the way I'm seeing things, I don't see the truth coming out anytime soon. I don't know if Ufelicia has the guts to keep Ukigaba out. Or is she going to cover the secrets because they are viewed as like, a perfect family? Is she going to cover the secrets and then Ubongo's also not going to know about the secrets? People are going to go about, but guys, I just need Ubongo to know the truth. But Maruna, it looks like Aras Miselanga to tell Ubongo the truth. But Bongo is there. They have a wedding that's coming up soon. And I'm like, Maruna, don't do our guy like that, you guys. Now we also know Ufistos, guys, and Ishmael. Ishmael's supposed to have an interview today with Ukigaba at 2 o'clock. Uyageza laphayana, guys. They are homeowners now. They're homeowners. They have a shack of their own. Iyageza bathinking ukuthi abanazo impahla. Ufistos goes and steals clothes from someone else's washing line to give it to Ishmael so that Ishmael just looks neat and presentable for his interview. Guys, the way I love this brotherhood going on between these two, I really hope Ukigaba and money doesn't come in between these two brothers or in between these two friends. Next thing, Gangampela, Mr. Kigaba is back from his trip, you guys. He is in a good mood. He is by the gate. He takes the gate, the remote for the gate. He tries and open the gate. How avulek. Tries again, how avulek. Then he thinks to himself, maybe inkinga yama petri. As he's getting out to speak to the security to ask, amvulele, Felicia gets out of the house. Felicia gets out of the house as she's approaching the gate. Kigaba goes to the car, gets flowers. He's like, Buga Wuting I brought you flowers, my beautiful wife, and don't. Felicia's like, what promises did you make to me? Do you remember the promises you made to me before we got married? That you will respect me, that you will never lie to me. Look at me in the eye and tell me that you're 100% sure you've never lied to me. Yo, guys. Yo, Shemu Felicia, that time Bakulumela, Ukigaba's that side of the gate, Felicia's the side of the gate. She refuses to open the gate. Ukigaba's is busy saying, hey, neighbors, any neighbors are gonna talk and what. Felicia just says, Yabana lezondal. Those flowers that you are carrying, take them to your illegitimate son's grave and go and put it there. And then she just walks off like that. Yeah, guys, I'm just like, I need Felicia to stand on business and to cut this man off, because this man is living off Mr. Tabete, the late Mr. Tabete's hard work, you guys. Then we also see Maruna. She's sitting nomfundisi. Umfundisi is busy fishing in Daba, asking Uguti, fine, you told me the truth, Uguti, you are Pila's real mother. Who is the father? You can see Maruna's hesitant of telling him who's the father and whatnot. And Umfundis is like, listen, if you really want me to support you, I need to know what I'm supporting, so that if anything comes out, if the father comes out and tells the truth, we know like we can prevent this thing before it comes out. Maruna's like, I don't think the father's going to tell the truth or come out in Indaba because he's got a lot to lose. But anyway, Maruna ends up telling him the truth, which the father of this child is Gabriel Kigaba. Yes, Umfundisi says he's not going to tell anyone, but the way he was fishing for those ndabas, I'm just like, yo, guys, this thing is just going to be a mess. Now remember, Ulokuzana, Ufistos, Beno, Ishmael are waiting for Mr. Kigaba at the place where they were supposed to meet. Mr. Kigaba arafigi because his wife is telling him where to get off. And then they end up concluding, Ufistos, Ishmael end up concluding that, yeah, man, what if this is a scam? What if Lomuntos niggas like wanted to traffic us or something like that? And then they leave Njek Anjala, you guys. But we do know that somehow, Ishmael is going to make his way to Genesis Records, you guys, because it looks like he might be the next upcoming star, and I don't know what's going to happen with Umarun. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.